how to use the option chain feature for derivatives. To access the option chain of any tradable instrument listed in the derivative segment, follow these steps. Go to the trade/code section and type the name of the index or stock. Tap on the name to open the call to action window. Then click on Detailed Quote. Under the Detailed Quote, select the Option Chain section. The Option Chain section gives you a complete view of all tradable strike prices. Call option strike prices are listed on the left side. Put option strike prices are listed on the right side. You can also select the expiry type: monthly expiry for stocks, weekly expiry for indices. To place an order, click on any strike price under the call option section. Click on any strike price under the put option section to place an order for a put option. Happy trading with Mirae Asset Sharekhan.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.